AdGuard VPN offers a solid solution for your online privacy and security, but before you decide to buy, there are 12 important things you need to know. Let's dive into what sets it apart from competitors like ExpressVPN and NordVPN and see if it's the right fit for you. First off, AdGuard VPN is known for its ease of use, offering a simple interface with automatic protection features. Unlike some competitors, it's designed to run in the background with minimal input from you. Whether you're tech-savvy or a beginner, you'll appreciate how straightforward it is to get started. Next thing, let's talk about server locations. While AdGuard VPN offers servers in over 30 countries, it doesn't match the vast networks of some bigger names like ExpressVPN, which has servers in 94 countries. If you need a wide selection of locations for speed or bypassing geo-restrictions, this might be something to consider. The third thing to note is the speed. AdGuard VPN is fast and offers decent performance for browsing and streaming. However, if you're an avid gamer or need ultra-high speeds for activities like torrenting, you may find more robust options like NordVPN perform slightly better in some regions. The fourth thing to know is security. AdGuard VPN uses AES 256 encryption, which is considered industry standard. You'll get strong privacy protection here, but some of its competitors offer additional security features like double encryption or split tunneling, which may appeal to those with advanced needs. Next, let's talk about logging. AdGuard VPN has a strict no-logs policy, ensuring that your activity is not stored. But unlike ExpressVPN, which has undergone third-party audits to verify its no-logs claim, AdGuard VPN hasn't yet had the same level of independent verification. While they have a strong reputation, this is something to keep in mind. The sixth thing is the pricing. AdGuard VPN is competitively priced, offering a more affordable subscription compared to some premium services like NordVPN. This makes it a great budget option, especially if you're looking for solid protection without breaking the bank. Seventh, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee with AdGuard VPN. This gives you the chance to try it risk-free and see how it fits into your routine. While many competitors offer similar guarantees, it's a solid offer for anyone who likes to test before fully committing. Moving on to the eighth point, AdGuard VPN's compatibility. It supports Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android, but lacks dedicated apps for devices like routers, gaming consoles, or smart TVs. If you're looking for full multi-device support, this might be a limitation compared to NordVPN's extensive device compatibility. Ninth, AdGuard VPN offers features like automatic kill switch and DNS leak protection. These are great for ensuring that your real IP isn't exposed if the VPN connection drops. However, it's worth mentioning that competitors like ExpressVPN provide more advanced features, such as split tunneling and threat protection. The 10th thing is streaming. AdGuard VPN works well with streaming services like Netflix and YouTube, but if you're an avid user of other services like BBC iPlayer or Hulu, some competitors like NordVPN offer more reliable unblocking capabilities across a wider range of platforms. Next, let's talk about customer support. AdGuard VPN has 24/7 support via live chat and email. While this is decent, some of the bigger VPN services like ExpressVPN have a reputation for faster response times and more extensive resources, like detailed guides and FAQs. The 12th thing to consider is the long-term value. If you're looking for a VPN that offers value over time with consistent updates and new features, AdGuard VPN is a solid option, but larger companies like NordVPN and ExpressVPN tend to roll out new features more frequently. So, is AdGuard VPN worth it? It's a good option for users who want solid, affordable protection with an easy-to-use interface. But if you want a more feature-rich solution with better speed, streaming capabilities, and device support, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.